Part 2 of this. So even though the alcohol level was 461, I still transferred him because he did have, in front of everyone, in front of my nurses, in front of my staff, deficits of the right side. He started to speak up more, but I don't know if that's him sobering up. He never had a seizure. I doubt he had a focal seizure causing this. Recrudescence from alcohol? I've never heard of that, but this is what a neurologist told me on the phone was possible. And he started to grab with his right hand, and the tickle test of both feet, both flying off the air, off the stretcher. So he's moving both legs now. Is it all from alcohol? I can't tell. I'm going to tell you at the end, and MRI is the only thing that's going to tell us did he have a stroke or not. There was no CT perfusion scan to see if he had a stroke anyway, or to confirm it. And it's not part of the stroke workup yet. Probably expensive ass test, a lot of radiation, but it would confirm, at least if there's pathology. The MRI would tell you where the lesion is, but the penumbra of disease would be picked up on the CT perfusion scan, which is not mandated yet, only for large vein occlusions that say there's a viable tissue, not from the large vessel occlusion on the CTA head and brain, head and neck. First alcoholic, Dazik. I hope he doesn't get DTs and withdrawals and signs IMA when he gets better. If you got better by Tnkase or you had a TIA, still drunk.